Did you know that with MyAC self-service, you can access your student information online? You can apply for programs, register for courses, view your schedule, pay your bills, and much more. Today, I'll show you how to register for your courses.
To begin, you'll need a copy of your course schedule.
You'll need to keep this course list handy to refer to while you're registering for your classes. Now we'll need to go to the MyAC self-service site. You can find this at myac.auroracollege.nt.ca. You may have seen this site already if you applied to your Aurora College program online. First, we'll go to the Login button and click that. Next, you'll need to sign in with your Aurora College student email and password. Once you've logged into MyAC self-service, you'll see that you have a lot of options in tabs along the top.
If you are missing some of these options, please contact the admissions department.
Right now, I'd like to register for my courses, so I'm going to click the tab that says Register. From here, you're given the option to register for either traditional courses or continuing education courses. I'm going to select traditional courses. I'm registering for the fall term, so I'll click that link. As you can see, I haven't added any courses yet, and so my cart is empty. I'm going to go to Section Search to find the courses that I'd like to add. I know from my course list earlier that I have to take a math course. I'm going to put the course code in right here to find it. Because my program is being delivered across 3 campuses, there's 3 options for my math course. Not to worry, your course list will show you the campus code that you want to select. For me, it's TFS1 for Fort Smith. I've checked and I'm certain this is correct, so I'm going to select Add. As you can see, that's added the course to my shopping cart. To continue adding courses, I'm going to proceed to registration. And from here, I'll select Section Search. This will bring you back to the search page where you can continue to add courses from your course list. Once I've added all of my courses, I can review my schedule here. It's a good idea to double check those courses one last time. If you find that you've made a mistake, you can hit the Remove button. Once you've added every course from your list and you've double and triple checked those course codes, you're ready to proceed with registration. Hit the Next button down here. From here, you'll be able to finalize your selection. When you're sure that everything is correct, hit the Next button one last time. Once you see this screen, you've completed the registration process. Your program advisor can now accept you into your courses. You can check back over the next few days to see that this has been done. Please remember, if you need assistance at any time during the registration process, you can contact the registrar's office or your campus admissions officer.